Okay, this is the second time around. I tried to make a video earlier and I had it on time lapse, so you guys didn't get to hear my bubbly personality. Anywho, this is my boyfriend's farm out in Anza, California. Not to mistake that for Anza Borrego, because that's someplace completely different. It's beautiful out here. It's very dry though, like the desert for sure. This is just one of the hiking trails on his property. So I get my own hiking trail. But they are looking to get great ideas from people and see if anybody wants to partner up with them to do something fun. Like, I've been watching a lot of off-roading, glamping videos that would be awesome here because it's like 100 acres. I just saw a cat or something. So that big hill up there, my boyfriend wants to either paraglide back down onto his property from there or have a zip line, which would be really cool. So if anybody wants to partner up with the Babcocks to do some kind of glamping, off-roading vehicle, or I'm not sure about dirt bikes just because there's so many rocks, but there's definitely potential here. It'd be really cool to do a scary movie out here.